Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, ventilated seats, sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration. We are pleased to show you the 2018 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.